Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tracy with Tracy's World, and I'm so excited to share this with you because I just got it. And I want to try it out, but I want to share it with you. Y'all know, like, I'm into my smile, making sure my teeth look good, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, that's the first thing that people see. It's the first impression, you know? So I'm always looking for things that are just going to enhance this area. Okay. People always say you have a great smile, and a lot of people want to know why and how I do it. Okay, so I'm always on the prowl for products that will help my teeth, making sure they're a good shade, you know what I'm saying, and making sure they're just presentable, like they look good, you know. So y'all, I found this and I was like, I gotta try it. So I'm just gonna unbox this with you, and I'm gonna encourage you to go ahead and check it out because I've heard nothing but goodness, nothing but good things about this, and I'm so excited to try it. And this is, can y'all see it? MySmile. Okay, this is the MySmile Kit. All right, I'm gonna unbox it today with you, and I'm so excited. And yeah, okay, anyways, we're gonna get into it. So it's the MySmile Dental Grade Teeth Whitening Kit. You can purchase this right on Amazon, okay? And it's the deluxe at home whitening system, so you can get your teeth white. Okay. It says results in 10 minutes, non-sensitive formula, because I am very sensitive. My gums are sensitive. I don't be playing. And it whitens up to 10 shades. Y'all know that's white. You want the pearly whites. Up to 10 shades. So let's just go ahead and let's just open it. Yeah, I just cut my nails shorter, so they really don't make the noise. Like, but anyways, let's go ahead. Where are my scissors? Okay. Oh, okay. We're opening the box here. Let's see. We excited. Y'all, this come with a light and everything. Like, I'm so freaking excited. I be so so nerdy. But so oh y'all, this looking real official. All right. So when you open it up, you got this in here. It looks like syringes. Ooh, give me flashbacks, but this is like syringes for the whitening. And then you have some instructions in here, which we are going to need because I have no idea how this goes. And it's a really nice packet. There are instructions, cautions, risk and liability. So you want to read that. Make sure you good, you safe, you ain't doing nothing to mess you up. Okay. And I'm just going to show y'all everything that's in here. Oh, I don't even know. This thing is really, it's like, and the award goes to Tracy. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyways, there's a card with the shades of your teeth, or finding your shade, whatever. I don't know. But y'all see it? It's kind of hard to see. It's a little bit of a glare, so I'm trying to make sure. But anyways, there's this. And then there's the, what is this? How much gel should you use? There's like instructions. What should I apply where should I apply the gel? How to avoid using too much gel, and how can I avoid gum irritation? And I've had gum irritation from strips before, so you definitely want to, make sure. Why won't my LED light turn on? These are the like FAQs and answers. So read through this. It's always good to read. I'm the one, I don't always read my directions as I should. So, but if you don't feel like reading, there's a nice diagram you can use, and this can help you. Okay. So I already love the little packaging is all. It's lit. Okay. So let me. All right. So let's get into it. So let's open up the everything else. So this. Okay. So this is the light with the tray. I don't know if you have to put batteries in here. I don't know if you have to charge it. We about to find out. It's like toys. I love looking at things like this. Okay, so there, this is the mouthpiece. I would suggest, I'm a cleaner. When things come in the mouth, I'm gonna clean it off. I'm not just gonna put it in my mouth, okay? But here's the little mouth tray. It says MySmile. There's a light here. So you have to pull this out in order for you to see, in order for the light to work. So it's a little tag here. We're gonna pull that out. All right, y'all. All right, so this is the light that whitens the teeth once you put the gel on it. And the light you can turn, I'm gonna turn it to me, on and off, and it beeps, so you know. All right, so then you have a mouth tray right here. And you have the, what are these? No, I should read directions. You have this. The picture says step 1 is we did that. We went ahead, took the batteries out, took the plastic thing out, put the batteries back in it, and now it's good. Now it says attach the mouthpiece to the LED accelerator. So let me see. Attach the mouthpiece to the accelerator, and there's a space for it, so it's really easy to figure that part out. Now the mouthpiece is attached. All right, there you go. And then after you do that, I can't see, 0.5 milliliters of MySmile whitening gel to both the top and bottom of the mouthpiece. Top of the mouthpiece and the bottom. So you're gonna apply the gel. It says to both. Now I'm thinking you're gonna have to have it upright to apply it to both. I'm looking at the picture, let me see. Okay, and it tells you exactly how much to apply. So let's try it. Yeah, I'm feeling very medical. Very medical. 0.5. So all of it, so it has the measurements on here. All right, y'all, don't y'all say I'm not transparent, because I had to clean this off, because I don't, you know what I'm saying, we don't know, it just came in a box, but I don't have to put it in my mouth, and I don't know. All right, you got to take this off. It don't tell you, but I just figured it out. And you put one of these on. Because otherwise nothing's gonna come out of the syringe. And that's why I got read directions. It didn't tell me that on the picture description directions, but I'm sure it's in the real directions. Reading is fundamental. All right, and now we should be good. Now we're gonna put 0.5 on the top and 0.5 on the bottom in the tray where your teeth goes. I think I did it right. Yeah, so we done used up this much. When this finishes, it beeps to let you know it is done. That's what it gives you, this beep. Okay, I'm gonna be trying this. Okay, I'm gonna do this a few more times. Sorry, my hand is wet, I just rinsed it off. I'm gonna be using this because, well, you know, like I said, the teeth, the coloring, it's very important. It's very important, okay? If you have coffee stains or any type of stains that you want to get rid of, because our teeth are with us, you know, when we get these adult teeth, they're with us for life until they, you know, till we, some of us lose a few of them. Don't worry about it, I love two of mine, but thank God, not up here. But these teeth are with us for life, so we want to take care of them. We want them to look good. We want to have a good smile. And I love to smile, I love to give a good smile. All right, y'all, so listen, go out and try this MySmile. Get your own kit right at home. You ain't got to go to the dentist for it. MySmile, it is a dental grade kit, okay? Comes with everything you need in there. Got your lights, got your tray, got your syringe with the whitening. You got everything. It comes with everything. So make sure you guys go out and check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out so that you can get the grill right and bright. Yeah, okay. I want to smile and be like, ding, you know what I mean? Y'all remember the Colgate commercials when everybody used to be like, oh no, I just want to smile and just be like, okay. So I'm working on my smile. Y'all keep, you know, do what you gotta do. All right, but anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this review. Would I say try it? Yes, try it. Why not? Why not try this? It's not expensive. You can try it right at home. I mean, you're not losing anything. You're actually gaining a nice white smile. And I don't feel any sensitivity in my gums. I feel no irritation, which I felt with strips. I felt irritation, so I don't feel any irritation, any discomfort at all. So I'll definitely be trying this again. It doesn't take a long time, 10 minutes. It lets you know when it's done, you know. So like, what do you have to lose? I mean, go ahead and check it out. All right, y'all know what to do. Go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. All right. You can be great all up in here. All up in here. Bye.